Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Netflix. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Netflix website. Look for the prominent Get Started or Join Now button, often clearly displayed on the home page. Clicking this button begins your quick and straightforward sign-up process, which typically takes just about 5 minutes to complete. This initial step is your gateway to countless hours of amazing entertainment. Next, you will choose the subscription plan that best fits your household. Netflix provides options like Basic, Standard, and Premium, each with varying features. For example, a standard plan often allows 2 simultaneous streams and offers high-definition video. The Premium plan typically supports 4 simultaneous streams and ultra-high-definition quality. Consider your budget and how many people will be watching at once. Now it's time to set up your account credentials. You will be prompted to enter a valid email address, which will serve as your login ID. Immediately after, create a strong, unique password to protect your account from unauthorized access. Make sure to confirm your password carefully. This email and password combination is essential for future logins and managing your personalized viewing experience. The next critical step involves providing your payment information to activate your subscription. You will enter details for a credit or debit card, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. Netflix utilizes advanced encryption to ensure your financial data remains secure and protected. Rest assured, your billing information is handled with the utmost care and privacy throughout this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.